going to walk away here with my $2,000 day. Not really anything too monumental, but as I remind myself, $2,000 a day is $500,000 a year. And that'll bring me down to $69,000 for the month so far. In the next minute, pretty much ideally watching FRGT, this support turn to resistance, get a nice short towards 250. EVTV, if it bounces up, I'll definitely look for to attack there. CHEK, although it's looking weak pre-market, it's traded 70 million shares. So because it's traded 70 million shares, I have a feeling that they're going to probably end up trapping that stock. So coming off a really strong week last week. So my goal today is not to oversize. My goal today is not to overtrade. My goal is just take it slow, stack a couple of small wins, let it add up, and take it from there. And as each day passes, hopefully the market gets easier and easier. So a lot of plays, a lot of runners. I just got to find the broken ones and join those trends. So let's see what happens here. Focusing up, and market should be opening up here in about 10 seconds. So
cool. Market open. Good luck, guys.
okay. Oh, nothing really yet. Looking around. LRE is trying to bounce.
FRGT is looking weak so far. Always looking to see where the money flow is going to.
Okay.
LRE bouncing a little more.
So just waiting, guys. Again, you don't have to take every single trade you see. You wait for the market to set up and then you attack. So when a stock like CHEK trades 70 million shares pre-market, chances are it's not just going to halt down and die, right? What's the ideal daily volume you're looking for, Alex? So, I mean, the more volume that I see, volume equals demand. So if I see a stock like trading 70 million shares, that's pretty high demand.
LRE bouncing a little
LRE
more.
is definitely getting a nice bounce now, so that's going to be pretty sick, hopefully. So bounce up. Took a small starter, 81 on LRE.
Small.
Yeah, just took a small entry to begin with. My watch list plan was towards 3, so I just got a small starter there. Again, a starter is a way to start in, not too heavy. That way I'm not emotional on the stock. The next resistance area I would say is around 340-ish. So I'll wait to see how it reacts around 3. So far, a nice fail. Fail there.
Yep.
So you can see support is around 260s. So considering adding a little bit here. I took a small ad there at 268. And I'm still very, very small size. I'm very, very partial size. I'm not looking for a big home run trade here, just small scalps. FRGT not bouncing. RCEL still holding up. Really wish that FRGT bounced a little bit, but just straight down. You can see once it broke this 250 support, it just got absolutely toasted. So LRE, 250 support is holding. So I'll have some open orders maybe under 250 in case it just washes out quickly. Looking around. EVTV not doing anything. RELI still halted down. CHEK still halted down. HSCT still halted down. So main thing here, guys, no oversizing, no overtrading, still very small size. Why? So I want to see how it reacts around 3. I want to leave some ammo, right? And if it just fails, it just fails. That's fine with me too. The biggest problem that I see traders have is they oversize too quickly. So let's see this 250 test. Should probably fail here soon.
Yeah, it's looking pretty weak.
So here we go. Let's see. So the question may be, why would I not be adding here when it looks weak? Well, I don't really see very clear money flow yet. It tested $3 one time. Maybe I'd like to see a little bit of a retest on it. So I'm not trying to get too aggressive yet, guys. I'm okay staying small, waiting, letting it trade out. But I do see a scenario where a stock like CHEK or anything else just takes attention and money flow. Then I could get a little bit more aggressive. But until then, I'm okay staying partial. I'm okay not overtrading, not oversizing, because you never know. This thing might bounce to 3. And in the scenario where it bounces to 3, I would be very, very happy to be adding there versus adding as low as 260, Open OPEN breaking out again. So good call to avoid that stock. It has a history of trapping, so just staying calm, cool, and collected. So as mentioned, I have open orders under 250 just in case it just washes out very quickly. Knowing my luck, it's going to halt down or something. So very clear support at 250. Let's get that break. CHEK unhalted. So nice bounce now on LRE. Because I didn't add, let's see, fail. Big fail.
Let's see. See if we break this 250.
I mean, it has to break this 250 at this point, man.
If not, something's definitely wrong.
So it tested 251.
Okay. Testing.
Who the hell is at 250, dude?
Yeah, not me.
Who the hell is at 250 there?
We're really holding it up.
That's weird. There we go. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, but came back. So I reduced some at 252 because it just came back. Maybe it was wrong. But why the hell is it holding this area? It's holding this area a little bit too well. Why? It should have instantaneously washed out. There's CHEK halting up. So as expected, CHEK, they were trapping it. I'll pull it up here just so you can watch it. But it's very clear that, that stock they're trapping. So like I said, I reduced a little bit of my risk there at 252 because why the hell is it not breaking that? FRGT trying to bounce, but not really enough of a bounce for me. NAOV was holding up. I don't know if I mentioned that. So LRE, very, very clear as day. 250 is big support. Not sure why it was holding so well there, but if it continues to hold 250, that'll negate my thesis. So let's see how this 250 test is again.
Yeah, and I also trimmed just a little bit here at this 250 just to be proactive.
Let's
Looking for
see
the
this
wash, but
test.
in case it doesn't come, I want to be safe.
Okay. Let's see. Again, it tested. What's the low of that candle's 47. So it tested 47. So it probably makes sense for me to reduce again on the dip just in case. Because why is it not breaking down? So reduce a little bit at 53 there. Again, I'm waiting to see this 47. Okay, here we go. Is it finally going to do it now? 37, reduce more. So reduce more at 37. Now it's looking better. There we go. But 37 is holding as well. Okay, come on. 34, reduce some more.
Also trimming some.
So 31, reduce more. Okay. So finally now it's working. Got 225 as the next support area. So very odd. It was holding 250 for a little bit longer than I imagined. And I didn't like that. So when I didn't like it, guys, I didn't wait and say, oh, let me see what it's going to do. I adjusted. Okay. I'd rather be in a position to adjust and worry about it later. Like, see, again, it's bouncing again. I don't know, man. That's kind of freaking me out. So I'm going to sit at 240 to maybe reduce some more because why the hell is it rebounding? It just broke down 250. It just hit the low of the day. Why the hell is it coming back? And the thing is, guys, I don't need to covered more at 40. I don't need to be a detective here, right? I just have to recognize that something is a little bit off. And if something's off, I want to adjust accordingly. So I have very, very, very tiny left, small size. And if I really want to be good, I can set a stop at 250 to guarantee that this is a win. But oftentimes, guys, when I see the support breaking here, it should go down and it should stay down. It should not come back. NAOV is bouncing. And again, guys, I may be getting out early. I may be a little bit too conservative, but being conservative is what's making me millions of dollars. 36 covered more. So with proper stock selection, guys, with proper stock selection, I mean, you can see that we're not really stressed. NAOV, a little bit of some topping action, but I don't like the price range of these like 10, 11, $12 stocks, man. So I think I'm just going to get out of my last bit here at 250 because why is it coming back? So all out there on LRE. Don't really like how it's reclaiming 250. CHEK, a little bit of a fail. So I pretty much cashed out of LRE for now. I don't like the fact that it's kind of still holding that 250. And rather than trying to guess or trying to figure it out, I might regret it. It might just wash out, but I'd rather be in a scenario where I'm in control of the stock, guys. I want to be in control. I don't want this stock to control me. I want to be in control of the stock, And here we go, Alex indicator.
And don't feel bad, Alex, because the only reason it did that is because you covered out. If you had still been in it, it'd still be trying to trap.
Hey, man,
So
I'd rather
crazy.
you guys get rich. So look at that, guys. Look at that. I could still get out too early, do everything wrong, and still make money. We traded for 9:33 until 9:43-ish. That's 10 minutes. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to walk away here with my $2,000 day. Not really anything too monumental, but as I remind myself, $2,000 a day is $500,000 a year. And that'll bring me down to $69,000 for the month so far. And that's it. So with that being said, guys, walking away here, a nice winner today, $2,000 day. And I'll be back at it again, live trading tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. For anyone new in here, please, please, please watch the money flow video. We have a 30-day roadmap to help you guys get started. So if you're kind of confused, you don't know what to do, just follow the 30-day roadmap. You could check mark your steps along the way. And with that being said, guys, I'm going to take my $2,000. I'm going to walk away and come back again tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thanks, everyone.